Brava Old World Slate Installation Video Series, Part 2, Valley and Rake Installation. Valley Installation. At valleys, install underlayments, a 36-inch strip of ice and water shield, and valley flashing according to building code, best practice, and design specifications. Flashing should extend 10 inches in each direction for slopes of 412 or greater, and 14 inches for slopes less than 412. Closed valleys or open valleys may be used. 24 to 26 gauge corrosion-resistant metal flashing is recommended. 2 fasteners per slate are required at locators. Do not place fasteners within 5 inches of center line. To avoid placing fasteners within 5 inches of the center line, placing fasteners elsewhere on the slate above the locators is acceptable. Do not place fasteners in the keyways or in any of the exposed areas. Ensure no fasteners are visible on the completed roof. Cut slates before they are installed, dry fitting, and marking, ensuring straight, even cuts for uniform installation up the valley. For closed valleys, a W valley flashing may be used with a 1.5-inch center crimp. Cut slates along the center crimp, leaving a minimum 3/16-inch gap for expansion. For open valleys, a W valley flashing may be used with a 1-inch center crimp. Leave a minimum 4-inch opening at the top of the valley. Open valleys can expose the structural ribbing at the cut edge. Field slates have structural ribbing underneath and are manufactured in 12-inch widths. It is recommended to use solid slates at cut edges when they are visible. Solid slates are manufactured in 12-inch widths. Cut solid slates as needed along the open valley. This provides the best appearance and a natural aesthetic along the open valley. A double W valley with 1.5-inch crimps may also be used with the standard field slates to cover exposed structural ribbing. Rake installation. Provide a 1-inch overhang from the fascia at rake edges. Structural ribbing of standard field slate will be visible at the rake. A D-style flashing may be used to conceal the structural ribbing. Brava recommends using solid slates at the rake for best appearance and a natural aesthetic. When starting each course, cut solid slates to the desired width. Use cut solid slates and full solid slates at the rake, placing the factory edge to the outside to create the desired offset. The unused portion can often be used at the opposite rake edge. The solid underside produces the best appearance at rake edges. For more videos and information, visit us online at bravarooftile.com.